Now, let us start energy. Now remember, when we say energy, what do you mean by energy? Anyone? Anyone? What do you mean by energy? Yes, the ability of an object or body to do work is called energy. For example, whatever you say, whatever you do, daily to daily life of हमारा ठीक है. We are walking, we are breathing, we are pushing something. Okay, we are doing certain activities like we are going for swimming, like Ayushi, like Aditi. Okay, we are swimming and all. Okay, someone is dancing, someone is playing. We all need energy for that. Also, you can talk about the objects which are non-living, like a bus, like a truck, or whatever. The bus is carrying what? People. The truck is carrying certain sort of a load. That means the amount of work is being done on the load that the bus is carrying. For example, it is carrying potatoes. He alu load korse. ঠিক আছে? Now he alu বোৰ pull কৰিব, he alu ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ বস্তাবোৰ he pull কৰিবলৈ energy লগাব লাগিব নহয়. The engine of the bus, or not bus, sorry, the truck has to do work on what? On those sacks of potatoes, to pull those potato sacks, right? Understood? That means the work is being done by the bus or the truck or whatever you say. Or a train is pulling a lot of coaches. Okay? That means the entire engine is pulling on something. Okay? That is known as energy. Okay? Another very important definition of energy is the capacity of an object, to do work is called energy. Okay. Now, the second definition will tell you how much a body is powerful or not. Okay, whether a body is powerful or not. Okay, Etiasati, if I ask Hansa and this one, what to say, slow, to go for a run, slow probably he tomorrow just yabra that जाओगे कि तुम्हें हमका पर पुश की हो, ठीक है? Okay. Slope might just fall down. He will just walk till that KG nursing home and he might fall down. But Hansa will go for a good run. Okay? That means what? Hansa has more energy compared to Slope. Understood? Understood? That means the ability of Hansa doing a particular work is more than that of Slope. Understood? Therefore, we say that the energy of what? Hansa is more than that of Slope. I'm just giving an example. Huh? Personally, लोगों न लगे, ठीक है सर? अंडरस्टैंड? क्या अच्छा नहीं किया? होल में करना था, होल बुरी पाला मत करिए. That means this statement gives us an idea about how much work a body can do. This means greater the amount of work a particular body can do, greater is the energy of the body. Understood? Now, greater the amount of work body can do greater is the energy of the body. Okay, or we can even say higher the energy of the body, more the amount of work it can do. Okay, the reverse statement is also true for this. Okay, समझ में आया अनुश्री? Okay, now see. Another very important point that is dealt in energy is that a body which is doing work, okay, is doing work, তার মানে কি হৈছে তাৰ এনাৰ্জিটো কম হৈ গৈছে নে হয় নে নহয় তুমি কি গোটেই দিন কাম কৰি থাকিব পাৰিবা নেকি তোমাৰ এনাৰ্জিটো কম হৈ যাব হয় নে নহয় that means a particular body that is doing work the energy of that body will decrease okay and if the body is doing work on something else on some other body okay the energy of that particular body will increase for example if it's cyber body A okay body A is doing work or it is doing work or expending energy what do you mean by expending energy huh no expending মানে কি it is spending energy that means understood and if this body is doing work on another body say B okay now the energy of this body B will increase understood work being done by body A on body B okay now therefore energy of body B will increase whereas energy of body A will decrease. Simple example, okay? And as I told tomorrow Ayushi's birthday. Okay, today's Ayushi's birthday, and she's giving away sweets to everyone, chocolates to everyone. Okay, what is she doing? She has probably a packet of chocolate, and she is giving the chocolates to everyone, distributing to everyone. That means the amount of chocolate available with Ayushi is decreasing, right? If we just imagine that the chocolates is energy, okay, that means the amount of chocolates available with Ayushi is decreasing. That means her energy is decreasing, and you people who initially had 0 chocolates with them, now your amount of energy is increasing because you have received chocolates. Understood? তোমালোকে chocolates নি পাই গলা নহয় সেইটো মান কি হৈ গৈছে তোমালোকৰ এনাৰ্জিটো কমি গৈছে বুজি পালা না নাই আগত 0 আছিল চকলেট এতিয়া বেছি চকলেট 0 কে বেছি আছে understood the concept clear হ'ল সবৰ write down এইটো ড্ৰ কৰি লোৱা and then what my question next part अब समझ में आया पूरा ध्यान देखे मेरा नहीं है গোল সবারটো লিখি গোল গোল না না বুঝি পাচ্ছেন না বুঝি পাচ্ছেন না আরে বুঝি পাচ্ছেন না পারে কবি না एक शब्द से पूरा क्लिक हो जाए नीचे आने के लिए स्टार्टिंग वाले हमारा लास्ट चैप्टर देखो अब क्वेश्चन आंसर से देखो कोई देखो क्वेश्चन आंसर में कि यहाँ का क्वेश्चन आंसर से का पढ़ा जाए ऐसे कैसा देखा if a body say body A हाँ if a body say body A body A is doing work on another body, say body B. Say body B. Then the energy of body A is decreasing and the energy of body B is increasing. This means that after full stop, this means that the body which is doing work, this means that the body which is doing work, comma, its energy will decrease, whereas, the body on which work is being done on, work is being done on, comma, its energy will increase. Remember, very, very important, the transfer of energy from body A to body A, since body A is doing work on body B, right? This transfer of energy takes place through the exertion of force. মানে body A body B पर किबा धৰণৰ force exert কৰিবই লাগিব। समझ में आया? हाँ बॉडी एक कुछ भी हो सकता है, एक मशीन भी हो सकता है. Your body is also a machine, right? Our body is also a machine. Okay, it's a machine. It's a biological machine. Okay, that means this body A is doing work on body B by applying some force on body B. Understood? Understood? That means a force is being applied. Force is being applied. This means that the transfer of energy, the transfer of energy from one body to another body takes place through exertion of some kind of force. Or simply they might ask you, how is the energy transferred from one body to another? Simply say that force is being used. Some kind of force is being used. Absent or अभी नबी का बात प्रेरित बोल से सभी हाँ श्रेयस नबी का so because of our entire time to flash up, ठीक है सर, understood? So अभी clear हो गया तो अपना बता दो. Now remember another one thing is that the work done on a body is numerically equal to the energy expended by another body. Okay, now what does this mean? Say for example, I have this bottle. Okay, I have this bottle and have kept it down. Okay, now a bottle to yar pora a to height I lift korisu. Okay, while lifting this bottle from the floor to this height, I have done how much? 100 joule of work, for example, 100 or 200 joule of work. Okay, that means the energy that this body acquires will be 200 joule. Why 100 joule energy lagaisu? Sorry, 200 joule energy lagaisu floor par yaloge ya lift koribo karone. Understood? So the energy that this body will acquire will be 200 joule. समझ में आया? नहीं आया? देखो, ये बॉडी यहाँ पर है. ओके, इसको मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक उठा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, और इसको उठाने के लिए मैंने कुछ तरह का मतलब फोर्स इसके ऊपर अप्लाई किया है. राइट, अंडरस्टूड? वो फोर्स होगा फॉर एग्जांपल से 200 जूल. ठीक है, दैट मींस द वर्क दैट आई एम डूइंग इज 200 जूल ऑन दिस बॉडी. ठीक है, now the energy this body will acquire will be the amount of work that I have done on it. Understood? मतलब 200 joule of energy is stored in this body. बुझी पाया ना कथा तो? बुझी पाया? समझ में आया? Understand this example. Say for example here, I have a body at the ground level. Okay, from this ground to this height, say h. So height h. The amount of work that I have done on this body A, say is 200 joule. Okay, then this body A will acquire मतलब क्या, gain, okay, gain 200 joule of energy. বুঝতে পারলেন না কথাটা? Clear হল? Good. 200 joule of energy will be acquired by this body. মই যিমান কাম কৰিছো সেই কামটো এই বডিটো ষ্ট'ৰ হৈ গৈছে in the form of energy. समझ में आया? आयुषी, लिख दो. Write down the statement. After drawing this diagram, write down the statement. এই বডিটো সপোজ এতিয়া মই এটা উপকাশ কৰিব এইটো নহয়, এই বডিটো এতিয়া 200 জুলত ৱৰ্ক কৰিব পাৰিব. দ্যাট মিন্স বুজি পালা নে কথাটো? যেনেকৈ হেমাৰটো এক্সাক্টলি মই হেমাৰটো ৰেজ কৰিছোঁ, হেমাৰটো যেতিয়া মই মাৰি দিম তাক মানে হেমাৰটো এইটো কাম কৰিছে. আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড? आयुषी ये ड्रॉ कर लो. जूल जे Write down. In this example, after that keep on drawing. In this example, Mama, the amount of work which is being done on body A, the amount of work which is being done, which is BEING, which is being done on body A to raise it from the ground to some height h, bracket में h, to some height h is 200 joule. Full stop. Full stop. This means that the amount of energy that will be stored in body A, is 200 joule. Body A. ये अलग एग्जाम्पल है, ये अलग एग्जाम्पल है. Is 200 joule. क्लियर है? हाँ, खत्म हो गया. इसके ऊपर ये लिख लेना, the work done on a body is numerically equal to the energy expended by another body. Okay? बुझी पा रहे हैं ये स्टेटमेंट ऑनलाइन? Yes. Now what? Now what we are saying? Work, work, work. What is the meaning of work? Okay. Now, physically work or meaning to keep her. Work. First of all, write down the statement, and then I will give you the meaning of it. Work is said to be done. Work is said to be done. To be done when a force applied on a body causes some displacement along the direction
Sir, causes.
of force, causes some displacement along the direction of force. Okay, now what does this mean? What does this mean? This is very important to understand. Okay, work. Say for example, I'm studying the whole day. Okay, I'm doing some sort of mental work. I'm getting exhausted, right? I'm getting exhausted. But am I actually doing physical work? Am I actually doing physical work? There is no physical work being done. Okay, therefore, under such conditions, we say that work is not being done. In physics, work translates to physical work. Physical work. We do not talk about mental work in physics. In mental work in physics has no meaning. Okay? Yeah, meaning to use again. So, happiness one. I have this chair, okay, and I am pressing against it. That means I am pushing this chair, okay. But is this chair moving? Is this chair moving? No, it is not moving. This also means that I am not doing any sort of work on this chair. Now, once my force that is being applied on the chair is great enough or large enough to cause displacement of this chair, then I say that work is being done by me on this chair. Understood? Clear? Good? That means work in physics means what? A force is being applied on the body, and that force is causing some sort of displacement of the body along the direction of that force. मतलब मैं यहाँ पर force ले रहा हूँ and the body is going anywhere else. Okay? That is not actually work. Okay? उसमें हाँ shortest क्या होता है? Is the shortest? Yes, shortest distance between the initial point and the final point. ठीक है? मुझे कराना मैं बताता हूँ. Yes, that means डिस्प्लेसमेंट में डायरेक्शन होता है क्योंकि वो डिस्टेंस का ही क्या होता है? वेक्टर क्वांटिटी होता है. নহয় মেথড ওয়ার্ক টু ওয়ার্ক বুলি ধৰা নহয়. ম্যারিস্টিনা কি হ'ল? বৰ লাগিছে তাহলে গৰম লাগিছে বৰ লাগিছে কিবা লাগিছে नाम तो मेंटल वर्क आदमी क्या कहते हैं काम नाम तो है मेंटल वर्क को दिया है but is your when you are reading is it causing any sort of a force being applied by you? No. Is it causing any sort of displacement? No. Then how work is being done?
Sir, energy use up होएছে.
Yes, but energy use up होएছে. ठीक है सेकंड में फिजिकली एक काम कराना है. फिजिक्स और जेतिया তুমি फिजिकली काम करिबा तेतिया है अभी वर्क डन होइबो. ठीक है फिजिक्स में क्या होता है अगर हम फिजिकली काम करते हैं तभी सिर्फ हम बोलते हैं वर्क डन. Okay, so very important point in physics Work, work is work. Work pertains to physical activity. Physical activity. Here, mental work is not counted. Huh? Sound ये fancy sound है।
Sir, कोई डिफरेंट का पहला
जो बनाया होगा ऑफ कोई भी ना हमारे बहुत दिक्कत है हमारे को ठीक काम तो होगा ना okay that means conditions of work right now conditions of work that means what are the requirements for work to be done. The first thing is that a force has to be applied and the second thing is that the force has to cause displacement of the body along its direction. Okay, along its direction. Therefore, what we write is that mathematically, work is the product of force and displacement. बुझी पाइसा? सब बुझी पाइसा कहा तो आज तो समझ में आ रहा है ना? That means W is equals to force into S. Where S is force and S is displacement. Now remember, if any of this quantity is zero, then your work done will also be zero. Okay? Huh? S is displacement. F is force and S is displacement. Huh? T. E. D is distance. Okay, D is mainly distance. S is displacement will equal. Huh? No. ठीक है, it is smallest for it. Smaller is small. ठीक है सर? दूसरी person है. Generally, displacement is represented as S. Understood? Clear? Now, one key condition possible. If I am pushing against a wall, okay, मतलब wall of the मैं थोड़ी सी और बिना मैं wall को push करी ऐसे. Wall को पुश is the wall moving, but I am applying force, right? That means you have force, but your displacement is zero. Therefore, work done will also be zero. Although you are getting tired, but no work is being done by you because there is no displacement. Understood? Clear? Second example. Every one of you are going to school, right? You are carrying your bag and you are walking. But are you doing any sort of work on the bag? No. Why do you know that? Because your bag is not moving. It is just moving along with you. It is there on your shoulder, and to counter the bag, মানে তোমার bag or weight to balance করিবৰ কাৰণে a force is being applied by your shoulder on that bag. But is your bag flying up? Is it going somewhere else? It is just kept on your shoulder, right? And it is not moving. Therefore, there also Although force is being applied, there is no displacement of the bag. Therefore, there is no work being done on the bag. Understood? Clear now? Write down this example. Huh? It will that's an example. Full? Pratha. কি হল ট্রাভেলে গেছে আৰু অলপ কৰি যোৱাগে হা মই বেছি নকৰাম ঠিক আছে এক্সটেণ্ড নকৰোঁ ক্লাছটো কৰা example where work done is 0 example where work done is 0 where work done is 0 huh yeah examples where work done is 0 मतलब work done कहाँ पर 0 है उसके examples নহয় মেণ্টেল ৱৰ্ক আনিবাচোন মই ফিজিকেল ৱৰ্কৰ কথা কৈ আছোঁ ঠিক আছে তোৰ লিখা ল'ৰাটোৱে অকল মেণ্টেল ৱৰ্কৰ কথা ভাবিব ফিজিকেল ৱৰ্ক কৰাটো শক্তিয়েই নাই মানুহজন উৰি যাবি কিবা এখন কৰিলে নাই হয়নে নহয় number 1 when a person is pushing against answer when a person is pushing against a wall when a person is pushing against a wall no work is being done full stop this is because although force is being applied on the wall although force is being applied on the wall comma it is unable to cause displacement of the wall ঠিক আছে क्या दौड़ने का काम अलग है दौड़ने का काम सबकर हाथत फैन আৰু দেই ঠিক আছে পয়েন্ট নম্বৰ एग्जांपल নম্বৰ 2 তোৰ লিখাটো অলপমান ফাষ্ট কৰ আৰু দেই কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ দিব থাকিয়ে গ'ল বোলে লিখিবলৈ আনসাৰ আছে এনেকুৱা হ'ব নালাগে ওলাইছে উপায় নাই আৰু এই গৰমত মহ ওলাবই আৰু কি কৰিবা এটা এক্সাম্পল দিলে হ'বনে না আৰু এটা দিওঁ এটাই হৈ যাব ঠিক আছে now see how much work is being done on a body কি ধৰণৰ ফেক্টৰছ এইটো ইনফ্লুয়েন্স কৰিব ঠিক আছে মানে কিমান ওয়ার্ক মই কৰি although okay one thing I'm asking you all people when you are not busy during your free time what do you do what do you do Netflix very good very good another one Netflix what do you watch on Netflix
K-drama
C-drama K-drama equals to stupidity it will bring down your intelligence ঠিক আছে চাবা মই নেটফ্লিক্সত নচা বুলি কোৱা নাই ভাল বস্তুবোৰ চাবা get hold of a good book okay good book मतलब क्या কিবা কমিক্স हो कॉमिक्स নহয় বাৰু কিবা ভাল ম্যাগাজিন ঠিক আছে ম্যাগাজিন read it for half an hour otherwise you people will not be able to write good answers do you know that or not if you do not read anything out of your books you will not be able to write anything properly in classic literature পঢ়া সেইবোৰ ভাল হয় সেইবোৰ কৰা ঠিক আছে বাট তোমালোকে যদি এনেও কিবা এটা অনলাইন সাৰ্ফিং কৰা বা কিবা কৰা listen to good music okay watch something that is informative okay you can watch good documentaries you can watch at least good movies certain movies কিছুমান movies মানে নালাগে চাব ঠিক আছে but good movies এই ড্ৰামাবোৰ নাচাবা দেই this is idiocy আৰু it will waste your time and তোমালোকৰ সঁচাকৈ ইণ্টেলিজেন্স লেভেলটো তলত নামি যাব নকৰিবা এইবোৰ ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ মানে এখন চোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে ঠিক আছে এইবোৰ নকৰিবা হা আদাৰৱাইজ your English will also not improve okay বহুত বেছি ফ্ৰী হ'লে চাব পাৰা আৰু free time হ'ব দিয়া now factors on which Portland is dependent on stop talking
yes
factors on which work done is dependent on the first factor the magnitude of force this means the numerical value of force the numerical value of force and the next thing the amount of displacement produced মানে কিমান displacement होते okay अब magnitude मतलब उसका numerical value कितना if I apply I will see this thing I will see I'll see just आपको एक chair ना एक chair है now this chair I'm applying some force and the chair is moving okay the chair is moving that means for example I am applying 10 Newton of force on this chair but I am shifting here and he is sitting here slope is here okay now I am giving that same 10 Newton of force but is he moving no he is not moving that means I have to apply greater amount of force. I have to apply greater amount of force to move this entire system. That means slope along with the chair. Okay? That means the work done in this first case is less than the second case. Understood? कारण यहाँ बेसी फोर्स में लगा बोलोगे आप उससे क्या मूव करोगे करने उसमें मैंने क्या दिया कम फोर्स दिया उसको मूव करने के लिए but इसमें I am giving more force to cause displacement. Okay? Therefore, the first criteria, the magnitude of force, that means the numerical value of force. Okay? Now, ठीक है sir? ये बोल
কিন্তু খুলিপিনে তোমালোকে কৈ আছে
बहुत मानी लगा पड़ता है ठीक है sir? एटिया एकेटा suppose slope क्या আছে okay slope क्या भी আছে মই ইয়াক পুশ কৰি বুলে মই আদিতি লোকে তাক লৈ গলো আদিতি যত বহি আছে মই তালুকে লৈ গলো ঠিক আছে আকৌ পুশ কৰি বুলে মই যত তোমাৰ ইজাবেলা বহি আছে মই তালুকে লৈ গলো ওকে I am applying the same amount of 20 newton of force to move him understood but this time if I go till Adriti my work done will be less compared to if I push slope till where I mean Isabella is sitting মানে কি হল মই distance বেশি কভার কৰিছো নাই একেটাই force কি understood that means the magnitude of displacement what কিমান displacement is समझ में आया समझ में आया that বুঝিপালে নে নাই কোনটা চাই আছে যে হ্যাঁ না পালা কোনটো না পালা এতিয়া মই শ্লোকক মুভ কৰাৰ কাৰণে মই 20 নিউটন অফ ফোর্স দি আছো মানে নহয় মানে এতিয়া যদি মই এই ফোর্সটো লোকে বুলে মই তাক পুশ কৰিলো আদিতি যত বহি আছে লকে ঠিক আছে তালকে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টটো হৈছে কে সে अराउंड 1 মিটাৰ ঠিক আছে আকৌ বুলে আকৌ পুশ কৰি মই যত ইজাবেলা বহি আছে মই তালকে লৈ গৈছো হা তালকে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টটো মোৰ হৈছে কে 2 মিটাৰস ঠিক আছে মই কোড বেছি কৰিছো কা কোড কোনটো কেছত মই বেছি কাম কৰিছো हाँ सेकेंड केस হয়নে নহয় যেতিয়া মই ইনডট ইজাবেলা বহি আছে তাৰ লগে মই এটা পুশ কৰি লৈ গৈছো হয়নে নহয় ইজাবেলা समझ में आया देखो say again the same thing I have a body A okay I have a body A 20 newton of force 20 newton of force I am applying on this body okay first case of displacement process say 1 meter okay यार अभी was a 1 meter okay second case of eketai body I have the same body and I am applying the same force 20 newton okay 20 newton এতিয়া খালি ইয়াৰ ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট হৈছে 2 meters বুজি পাইছা নে কি হৈছে সব f work done is equals to force into displacement হয় না নহয় first case কি হৈছে work done is equals to 20 newton into how much 1 meter মানে that means I am doing kiman 20 joule of work or 20 newton meter of work বুঝি পালা নে second case of কি হৈছে work done is equals to 20 in newton into 2 meter that is giving you 40 newton meter বুঝি পাইছা নে কথা বুঝি পালা নে ইয়াত বেছি হৈছে না work done to value to understood write down this example yes নাই নাই একেটাই ফোর্স মই এপ্লাই কৰি আছো কিন্তু মই বেছি ডিসটেন্স মুভ কৰিছো খালি হা কি
মানে বস্তু সেমে হয় ফোর্স সেম হয়
ফোর্সটো সেমে হয়
বেছি ডিসটেন্স কেনে কভার কৰি দিলে
হা নহয় মই বেছি ডিসটেন্সহে জাস্ট মুভ কৰিছো কিন্তু মোৰ ইচ্ছা ন মই শ্লোকৰ এক্সাম্পল লৈছো শ্লোক মই তাৰ লগে পুশ কৰি আদিতি লগে লব গুচি যাওঁ ঠিক আছে আদিতি যত বহি আছে তাৰ লগে গুচি যাওঁ নে মই ইজাবেলা যত বহি আছে তাৰ লগে গুচি যাওঁ মোৰ ইচ্ছা হয় ন কথাটো মানে মই ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট বেছি কৰিছো একেটাই ফোর্স মই বুজি পাইছা নে কথাটো সেইটোৱে কথা আন্ডাৰস্টুড এইটো তোমাৰ সেকেন্ড কেস টু হয় হা এইটো তোমাৰ সেকেন্ড কেস টু হয়
उसको बनाना पड़ेगा
हाँ बनाना पड़ेगा, बनाने से अच्छा होता है. Now look at the first case. Look at the first case. Okay. I am applying how much? Say force is equals to 10 Newton. Okay. I am applying 10 Newton of force on a body A. Right? And it is going through a distance of say 2 meters. Okay. It is going through a distance of 2 meters. Or say 1 meter. 1 meter पर मान लो confuse होगा 1 meter. ठीक है ना? Work done है कि होगा? Work done is equals to force into displacement. That is 20 Newton of force into 1 meter of displacement. That will give you 20 Newton meter. This Newton meter is known as joule. ताकि हमें joule बोली को. Okay, SI unit of work is joule. इस सब के लिए मैं काले पढ़ाई देंगे. Okay.
सर नेगेटिव भी होता है 10 है इसका.
Oh sorry, 10 है इसमें नहीं. 10 है. 10. Okay, 10 Newton meter. Now, एक टाइप से उसका force is equals to say 20 Newton. Force is 20 Newton, and this 20 Newton of force is causing the same displacement. That means 1 meter located है मैं यहाँ 2 दोस्तों. Understood? Balance force is equal to 20 Newton force. So क्या होगा work done? Work done is equals to F into S. That is 20 Newton into 1 meter. That is 20 Newton meter. This is यार basic force है. For the same amount of displacement, the force is greater. Understood? So greater work is done in the second case. Clear? 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 Great.